My dear students, viewers, Namaskar, Jai Hind. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I convey my warm regards and heartfelt wishes to all of you. My dear students, as you know that Indian tradition celebrates teachers in very high esteem. Our ancestors says that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sachat Par Brahm Tasmay Sri Guruve Namah. Akhand Mandalakaram Vyapatam Ena Characharam Tattapadam Darsitam Ena Tasmay Sri Guruve Namah. तुलसीदास जी गुरु की महिमा बताते हुए कहते हैं कि बंदौ गुरुपद पद्म परागा सुरुचि सुबास सुजस अनुरागा अमीय मूरी में चूरन चारु समन सकल भव रुज परिवारु। श्री गुरु पद नख मणिगण ज्योति सुमिरत दिव्य दृष्टि हिया होती। बंदौ गुरुपद कंज कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरि महामोहतम पुंज जासु बचन रवि कर निकर। My dear students, India celebrates Teacher Day from 1962 when Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan appointed President of Republic of India. As you know that Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born in a village of Tamil Nadu named Tiruttanni. But here you must be aware about the real fact. The ancestors of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan came from a village named Sarvapalli, falls in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. So they contain title Sarvapalli to commemorate the native palace of his ancestors, Sarvapalli, a village in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. My dear students, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was one of the most celebrated, outstanding, difference creating, extraordinary, multidimensional 20th century scholar of comprehensional religion and philosophy. My dear students, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan held the King George V chair of Mental and Moral Science in Kolkata University from 1921 to 1932. He also held the office of Spalding Chair of Eastern Religion and Ethics at the University of Oxford. Then he also served as the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University from 1931 to 1936, and then he appointed the Vice Chancellor of one of the most prestigious center of learning, Banaras Hindu University. He executed the duty of Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University from 1939 to 1948. My dear students, he also served as a diplomat when he appointed second ambassador of India to Russia after Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, who was appointed ambassador to Russia in 1947, and in 1949 the second ambassador to Russia was the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He remained in this position from 1949 to 1952. Now you can see the contribution of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan in the phrase which India uttered with pride, designated Russia as the all-weather friend. This designation of all-weather friend to Russia also contains the legacy of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As the ambassador of India in Russia, he impressed the Russian dictator Joseph Stalin and create a very strong platform between India and Russia. After retiring from this diplomatic job, he was appointed vice president or the chairman of the upper house of Indian Parliament in 1952, and he remained in this position for next 10 years. In 1962, he was appointed the President of Republic of India and remained in this designation for next 5 years until 1967. My dear students, you have to know that Teachers' Day celebration would be celebrated on 5th September. This decision was taken by the Government of India in 1962, and the Teachers' Day is dedicated to the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As I say, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, born on 5th September 1888 in a village of Tamil Nadu, Tiruthanni. His birthday will be celebrated as the Teachers' Day. It was decided in 1962. My dear students, let me allow to turn towards the philosophical contribution of Dr. Radhakrishnan. My dear students, he is considered one of the most celebrated, extraordinary, multidimensional scholar of both Indian and Western philosophy and religion. Radhakrishnan's philosophy, rooted in the legacy of Advait Vedanta, which is advocated by Vivekananda in Western world. Dr. Radhakrishnan led this legacy of Advait Vedanta proliferated in Europe or America by Swami Vivekananda. After Vivekananda, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the most influential philosopher, intellectual, who introduced Indian tradition, culture, philosophy and religion before the Western world. So scholar regarded him as a bridge builder between the European and Indian philosophy. Dr. Radhakrishnan was very instrumental in framing the modern concept of Hinduism based on the Advait Vedanta framed by Adi Shankaracharya. So my dear students, it must be clear in your heart and mind, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan propagate, advocate the philosophy of Advait Vedanta. He played very crucial role to frame the concept of modern Hindutva in both India and Europe. He earned a reputation to be a bridge builder between the philosophy of East and West. According to Dr. Radhakrishnan, Advait Vedanta is not a religion, but religion represents itself in the form of Advait Vedanta. My dear students, maybe you are aware about the prestigious awards given to Dr. Radhakrishnan. The highest civilian award of India, Bharat Ratna, was given to him in 1954. He was also decorated by the title of knighthood by the British Crown George V in 1931. In 1963, he was awarded by the Royal Order of Merit. It is a very prestigious literary award of United Kingdom. My dear students, according to Dr. Radhakrishnan, worshippers or on the basis of religious discourse, followers can be classified into 5 categories. First category, people are those who finds his God in his own inner conscience, or the worshipper of absolute. Second type of worshipper, who worships personal God, or the third type of worshippers, who believe in the worship of incarnations such as Lord Ram, Lord Krishna, Lord Parasuram, etc. Or the fourth type of worshippers, followers, who worship their ancestors or other type of deities. Or the fifth category of worshippers or followers can be recognized as the worshipper of petty forces and spirits. My dear students, he says that Sega finds God in deeper self. The man of action finds his God in fire, and the feeble minds finds God in idols. But the strong in spirit finds God everywhere. The seers see the Supreme in the self and not in idols. My dear students, here I try to put before you the familiar ground of Ramakrishna, the academic contribution of Ramakrishna, and philosophical contribution of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Once again, I convey my regards and heartfelt congratulations to all of you on this eve of Teachers' Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sachat Parabrahm, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. नमस्कार, जय हिंद। लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मार्कंडे मिशन इसी उत्साह के साथ आपके सामने एकेडमिक, फिलॉसफिकल और कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करता रहे। इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब के रूप में आपका आशीर्वाद मिलता रहे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। फिर मिलते हैं किसी अन्य मुद्दे पर। अभी के लिए इजाज़त दें। नमस्कार। जय हिंद।